Hey, it's Jonathan from Unlocked Intelligence, where I show you how to use AI to work smarter, not harder. Now, everyone's heard of ChatGPT, but there are dozens of free AI tools out there that can build websites and design images, even turn your long videos into viral shorts. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful AI tools you probably haven't tried yet, but once you do, you'd wish you'd found them sooner. Let's go. Okay. Tool number 1 is Gamma, an AI presentation builder that's so fast, it feels like magic. Just type your idea and Gamma instantly creates a full slide deck, designed, formatted, and ready to share. So whether you're pitching to a client or summarizing research, Gamma saves hours of formatting. You can even edit slides with a drag and drop and share them live. No PowerPoint is needed. I use it to turn rough notes into polished decks in minutes. So if you're like me and you need something created on the fly, head over to gamma.app and check it out. Up next is tool number 2, Magi, your new favorite ChatGPT alternative. It's faster, smoother, and built for productivity. You can organize conversations, create custom AI personas, and even search past chats. Unlike ChatGPT, Magi keeps everything neat. No more scrolling through endless messages. I use it daily to stay focused, save time, and keep all my prompts in one place. Try it out at magi.co. Up next is tool number 3, Leonardo AI. This is an image generation powerhouse. It's like Midjourney, but faster and easier to use. Just type what you want, and Leonardo creates stunning visuals. Everything from logos to cinematic scenes. You can pick a style, adjust the vibe, and even upscale the final result. I use it to make eye-catching content for social media and thumbnails in seconds. So, try it out at leonardo.ai. All right, we're halfway through our AI tools. Next is tool number 4, Opus Clip. This is your AI-powered video repurposing assistant. What you do is just upload a long video, and Opus automatically finds the best clips, cuts them, and formats them into vertical shorts. It adds captions, hooks, and even identifies viral moments using AI. I use it to turn full YouTube videos into scroll-stopping content for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts in just minutes. Opus Clips helps creators multiply their content effortlessly. So, try it for free at opus.pro. Up next is tool number 5, Kyber, a mind-blowing AI that turns your ideas into animated videos. Just upload a photo or type a prompt, and Kyber transforms it into cinematic motion. You can animate portraits, create dreamlike scenes, or remix music videos, all in your style. I've used it to bring static designs and AR art to life, with zero editing experience. Try it for free at kyber.ai. Okay, on to tool number 6, which is ChatGPT, but specifically for writing emails. If you hate staring at a blank screen, just give ChatGPT a quick prompt, like who you're writing to and what you want to say. It instantly gives you a polished email, whether it's for work, follow-ups, or even tricky replies. I use it daily to save time and avoid overthinking my messages. Just type your request at chat.openai.com and hit enter. That's it. Email writing solved. And our last tool for this segment, number 7, is perplexity.ai, a smarter way to research with AI. You see, unlike Google, it gives you clearer, direct answers with sources, summaries, and follow-up suggestions. Just ask a question, and Perplexity finds the best info, fast. It's perfect for researching, brainstorming, or breaking down complex topics. I use it when I want real answers, not just results. So, head on over to perplexity.ai and give it a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite tool, and subscribe for more AI breakthroughs every week.